Cohen's walking into the room.
I'm gonna turn the light on. It's gonna be dark.
Look at this. We got the stairs. Look, we got the upstairs right there. Wait, look at the upstairs. I need to check this out. Alright, so we're finally in our room. Let's go. We might give you a tour.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Let's start right here. What's down here? Ooh, the bathroom's nice. Look at this. Ooh, oh, the pie. Pretty cool. Oh, the beds look so nice. Look at this. Oh, it looks so nice. Look at the chair. It's made out of wood. Look at this. This thing's awesome. All right, let's go. Upstairs. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right. We got another TV up here. Wow, look at this. This is nice.
What's that? Should I tell them what that is?
That's another bathroom. Where? Wow, look at the balcony. This is kind of nice.
Look at our balcony.
Wow. Wow, look at this. We got a nice view. Look at this. This is a nice view.
You want to sit in one of the chairs?
This is a very nice view, you know? Let me sit here.
What do you think of the view, Cohen?
Good. All right, I'm out.
And wait, show them our fireplace?
Wait, I don't have my wolf ears. I don't have my wolf ears on. Look, we get 2 TVs. Awesome. Awesome.
TV there, TV there.
The upstairs is nice.
TV upstairs.
We've never had an upstairs that I'm open.
Hey, up there.
Hello. Oh, want to see the balcony?
And these are the wristbands you get when you check in that you're supposed to wear the whole time during your stay. And they say to wear it on the opposite wrist if you have a smartwatch. And otherwise it might deactivate your wristband and you wouldn't be able to open your door with it. We're in room 480 and it has a nice balcony out here. Decent size. It has 2 chairs and a table. We kind of move things around, and we even brought one of the chairs, that chair, and put it out here so 3 of us could sit out here. But gives you a good view of the side of the lodge. There's Magic Quest over there. We did some of that last night. Gonna do some more today. And here you're not too far off the main road where there's lots of restaurants, a lot of places to eat, an outlet mall over there. Of course, there's places here in the lodge to eat, but if you want something different, fast food or nicer dining even, it's not going to be too far away.